Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best plastic step stool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in a child's developmental journey, providing that crucial boost for independence and exploration in a safe and accessible way, empowering little ones to reach new heights, whether it's for washing hands, brushing teeth, or simply joining in on adult activities, making everyday tasks more manageable and enjoyable for both kids and parents alike. Number 5. Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool, White, 9-inch. This folding step stool is designed to help with a variety of tasks. Whether you need a boost to reach high places or a stable seat, it meets a wide range of needs for everyone in the family. Built with durability in mind, it can support up to 300 pounds. You can trust its steadiness, giving you the confidence to step or sit on it safely. Its easy to fold and slim design makes it perfect for small spaces. You can conveniently store it away in tight spots, keeping your home clutter-free. Safety is a priority with its gripped stepping surface and convenient handle. These features are designed to minimize the risk of slips and falls, even when wet. Considering its quality and features, this stool offers excellent value. Many users find it so useful that they purchase multiple for different areas of their home. What we like? This stool offers versatile functionality for various needs, from assisting toddlers to providing a portable seat. It boasts a sturdy 300 pounds capacity and a space-saving design that folds slim. If you need a multi-purpose stool that can be easily stored away, this is a great choice. What people say. Very sturdy, can be used by adults and children. It is small and light, making it easy to carry around the house with me. It has a handle. It opens with one hand. It is sturdy. It folds easily and fits anywhere when I put it away. This folding step stool is very sturdy and practical. It opens and closes easily, doesn't take up much space, and feels secure when standing on it. Number 4. Rubbermaid 2-Step Molded Plastic Step Stool. Introducing the Rubbermaid 2-Step Stool, your perfect companion for reaching new heights. It's designed for convenience and stability in any room of your home. This stool is ideal for your kitchen, bathroom, office, or garage. Its compact size and cutout handles make it incredibly easy to move wherever you need it. As an Amazon exclusive, this stool offers reliable performance and exceptional non-slip stability. You can count on it for safe and secure use. Weighing only 5.6 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Take it with you for any project or task around the house. Enjoy a large, comfortable standing area with a textured grip for a safe and stable experience. It's designed to keep you secure while you work. Built to last, this stool can support up to 300 pounds. It features non-slip grips on both the feet and the standing platform for maximum security. What we like? This Amazon exclusive step stool is designed for convenience and portability. It features slip-resistant treads and a lightweight build, making it easy to move around. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-transport step stool specifically available on Amazon, this one is worth considering. What people say. The stool is sturdy and doesn't slip. It's the perfect height for my toddler to reach the sink. Easy to clean and lightweight. Number 3. OXO Tot Step Stool, Gray. Introducing the OXO Tot Step Stool in Gray. It's designed to help your little ones reach new heights. This sturdy stool provides a stable platform for toddlers. Its non-slip surface ensures safety and confidence. It's lightweight and easy for your child to move around. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with its simple design. This stool is ideal for assisting with potty training or reaching the sink. It makes everyday tasks more accessible. Crafted for durability, it withstands daily use. The sleek gray finish complements any bathroom or nursery decor. What we like? This step stool is built with an ultra-sturdy structure and a wide, non-slip platform for maximum stability. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry. If you prioritize a robust and secure stepping surface, especially for seniors or those with mobility concerns, this stool is an excellent option. What people say. The stool is sturdy and doesn't wobble, even with a child standing on it. It's the perfect height for my toddler to reach the sink and brush their teeth independently. The non-slip surface on top and the rubber feet on the bottom provide excellent grip, preventing accidents. Number 2. GWNF 3.35-foot short step stool. Introducing a step stool designed for ultimate safety. It's constructed from high-strength material, capable of supporting up to 600 pounds, ensuring stability for everyone. Weighing just 2.43 pounds, this stool is incredibly easy to carry. Its compact size allows for convenient storage and placement, whether indoors or out. Enjoy a secure experience with its anti-slip features. The surface and base are designed to prevent slips, even in wet conditions, making it perfect for any room. The low and wide platform makes stepping up easier, especially for those with mobility concerns. It provides a stable surface for reaching higher places with confidence. Join over 100,000 satisfied customers who rely on its quality. It's even recommended by physical therapists, offering a safe way to maintain independence. Consider this stool as a thoughtful gift. It empowers your loved ones to navigate their homes safely and independently, providing peace of mind for everyone. What we like? With an impressive 600 pounds capacity and a very low profile, this stool offers exceptional sturdiness and ease of use. It also features drainage holes, making it suitable for wet environments. If you need a heavy-duty stool with a low step height and worry-free use in bathrooms or kitchens, this is the one. What people say. The stool is sturdy and doesn't slip. It's the perfect height for my toddler to reach the sink and counter. The non-slip surface is great for safety. Number 1. Dreambaby Step Stool for Kids. Introducing a step stool designed with your little one's safety in mind. It features a non-slip base and numerous rubber dots for maximum traction, ensuring it stays securely in place. This stool is perfect for various activities. It's contoured to fit around toilets, making potty training easier, and also helps little ones reach the sink for hand washing or brushing teeth. Crafted from durable yet lightweight plastic, it can support up to 175 pounds. Your child can easily move it around themselves, fostering independence. Designed to fit snugly against toilet bases, this stool is an ideal companion for potty training. Its lightweight design allows toddlers to position it themselves, encouraging confidence. Keeping it clean is a breeze. A simple wipe down with a warm cloth is all it takes, perfect for busy parents and active kids. It's designed for growing toddlers, helping them take those big steps towards independence. Perfect for tiny feet making big progress. What we like? This step stool is specifically designed with toddlers and potty training in mind, featuring a non-slip base and a contoured shape. It's sturdy yet lightweight for independent use. If you are embarking on potty training or need a safe, stable stool for your little one to reach the toilet or sink, this is an ideal choice. What people say. This stool is perfect for my toddler to reach the sink and potty. It's sturdy and doesn't slip. The non-slip surface is great for safety, and it's easy for my child to carry around. It's a good height for reaching the counter and the design is simple and functional. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.